Hello everybody, I got here it's a Tapo camera, and I'm going to show you how to insert or install a micro SD card. This one takes micro SD card, so what you need to do is this here, move the camera up, and there you have access to the micro SD slot right here, this one here. All you need to do is here's the micro SD card, face up, facing the level. You just insert it there, right there. Okay, and you push in, and you hear the click, and it's in there. Now, if you want to take it out, you just push again, and it'll pop out. Again, to insert, just put it in, the label up. If I can see it there, and push it in, and you hear a click, and that's how you install it. All right, so that's how you insert the micro SD on a Tapo security camera. All right, that's it. I hope this helped. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I hope to see you next time. I hope this helped. Thank you, and have a nice day. Good night.